Hi, this video covers how to fix Kdenlive crashing when an item in the project bin is selected. I'll first open Kdenlive to demonstrate the issue. As you can see, the entire program hung and is going to crash. Let's fix it. I'm going to open Kdenlive again, but this time navigate to Settings, Manage Cached Data, then open the Current Project tab. Then I'll open the cache folder for the project, go up a level and delete it. Once doing that, return to Kdenlive and save the project. Reopen Kdenlive, the issue should be resolved. Thanks for watching.